Hello, this video provides a summary of the Waterloo Region housing market stats for the month of November 2020. Our real estate board changed the way that we collect data a few months ago, which created some complications with coming out with accurate and reliable data. I believe that these are fixed now, so I'm going to continue on every month creating these videos. Needless to say, the market has continued to strengthen and remains a very hot seller's market in the Waterloo region. Let's take a look at some of the key metrics. Median sales price was $600,000, which is up by 16.5% relative to November of 2019. Median days on market was 7 days, which is down by 10 days. The total number of sales was 837, which is up by 33.7%, and the total number of listings was 892, which is up by 33.9%. In Waterloo Region, we're seeing significant growth in both new listings and in new sales. However, the region was carrying extremely low levels of inventory heading into the month, so the increase in new listings hasn't slowed the market down. The inventory levels remain very low at about 1 month's supply of inventory, which keeps the region categorized as a very hot seller's market. As we head into the holiday season, there doesn't seem to be any indication that buyers are becoming fatigued or exiting the market. We don't expect to see a huge influx in inventory as we head through the holidays. Given this, I expect to see prices continue to rise throughout the holidays and into the new year. I've included a link in the description below with a full analysis of the market stats. If you have any questions at all about the market or are thinking about buying or selling in the near future, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you out.